These are horrible. They clean, they work, they smell. Ugh. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a side-by-side comparison between the February 2020 Boxycharm box and the February 2020 Ipsy Plus box. Both of these subscription beauty boxes are $24.99 a month and you get 5 products. So this should be an easy comparison. I'm going to show you what I got in my Ipsy box first. So we got a black eyeliner which smudges. We then got a foundation which I'm happy about. Then we got a 1 ounce sleeping mask, a vitamin C infused sunscreen, and a 5-piece brush set. That for Ipsy, that is pretty good. So of the 5 items, I definitely cannot stand this eyeliner. The brushes are just okay. They're made in China. They're a little flimsy. Will I use them? I may use them for some things. Are they going to be my go-to brushes? Probably not. Oh, and not to forget, a makeup bag. Let's see what was in the Boxycharm this month. We also got brushes. We got 3 brushes. These are higher quality in my opinion. These are by a company called Alamar, and it's kind of an orangey rose gold copper color, and they're very, very soft. And the 3 brushes we got are all face brushes. We got a highlighter brush, a blush brush, and bronzer, other face brush. We also got foundation. This is from BECCA, and I will later do a side-by-side comparison of the 2 shades. We got a very smelly hemp scented makeup wipe, a product from Ciate, London, which is frequently in beauty boxes, and this is a loose powder. The last product we got is from First Aid Beauty, and this is a facial radiance pad. So they do a little exfoliating as well as toning your skin. I'm torn between Boxycharm and Ipsy this month. I think they're both about the same. Boxycharm I typically enjoy more than my Ipsy. However, this month I like the brushes. I haven't tried this yet, but this is a new and different product for subscription boxes, and I will use and enjoy this, as well as the foundation. I don't use loose powders a lot, so even though this product may be nice for me personally, it's not my favorite. These are horrible. They clean, they work, they smell. Ugh. Okay, so side by side we have some definite side-by-side comparisons. Boxycharm, Ipsy. Made in China. Not sure where these are made. However, even if they're both made in China, the quality of the Boxycharm brushes is much nicer than the Ipsy brushes. So, point to Boxycharm. Sleeping mask from Ipsy. Loose powder from Boxycharm. Ipsy wins this one because I personally love skincare, and because I have dry skin, I don't use loose powders. Point to Ipsy. We're 2-1. Boxycharm got some exfoliating pads. Ipsy, extremely expensive, nice brand, Murad, and this is an SPF 30 with vitamin C. Love this product. This one is okay. I will use both. They both get a point. Ipsy gets an extra little nod for this. The two bad products from both boxes. Boxycharm fail. Ipsy fail. Ipsy gets a double fail because A, this is a liquid black eyeliner, most repeated product in any beauty subscription box. However, last month, Ipsy provided a liquid black eyeliner. And last month, as well as this month, the eyeliners did not perform. They smudged. The other thing both boxes have in common is for some reason, neither box had a card this month. Is that coincidence? Bad luck? Or are the boxes trying to save money by not printing what the price of each item is? Leave your thoughts below. Did you get a card explaining what the products are? Or are they no longer doing that? Alright, now onto the stars of both boxes. We both received, or both boxes contained, foundation. We have a name brand here, BECCA, from Boxycharm, and then Wander Beauty in the Ipsy. Let's do a side-by-side comparison on the shades. This here is the BECCA in the shade Cashew, which is thicker than the Wander Beauty, which is in the shade Fair. I'm actually wearing the BECCA foundation today. Give me your thoughts. Which box do you prefer? Do you get both Boxycharm and Ipsy? Honestly, this month is a tie. It's a draw. They were both, I don't want to say mediocre, but they weren't 5-star, super excited. 3 out of the 5 products in both boxes I enjoyed. So it's a tie. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I thank you so much for stopping by my channel. See you next time.